Sam wants your help to count his stationery collection. Let's start by counting the pencils. Remember, the best way to count large number of objects is by grouping them in tens. So, let's bundle the pencils in groups of 10. We could make 2 groups of 10 and no pencils are left. We say there are 2 tens and 0 ones. What number represents 2 tens and 0 ones? 2 tens and 0 ones make 20. So, Sam has in all 20 pencils. Next, let's count the crayons. We will again make groups of 10. How many tens and ones are there? There are 2 tens and 7 ones. What number is 2 tens and 7 ones? 2 tens and 7 ones make 27. So, Sam has 27 crayons in all. Next, let's count the erasers. How many tens and ones are there? There are 3 tens and 3 ones. What number is 3 tens and 3 ones? 3 tens and 3 ones make 33. So, there are 33 erasers in all. Last, we will count the notebooks by grouping in tens. How many tens and ones are these? There are 5 tens and 0 ones. What number is 5 tens and 0 ones? So, there are 50 notebooks in all.